What are some mean distinctions in terms of readings?
Say that again.
What are some distinctions in terms of readings?
Well, everyone's not one level. Everyone is many levels. When we talk about the conversation at the divine agreement level, and you have quite a multiple level existence to work from. Emotions are one level of existence. Right? And so the emotions become a readability, to work from. You have the intellect as another level of readability, so that people can be judged by the quality of their thoughts, let's say. Okay. Physical appearance is the obvious, sort of like a gross level, that people can assume they recognize somebody as or by that level, physical. And then there are psychic levels that warrant people with a special, let's say, interest at that level, and you have to go to see them for a certain other kind of reading. Like we have astrology readings, you need a person that is capable of interpreting certain data and phenomena relative to the solar system. And then there are readings beyond that. So there are many different readings for different people. And so it's about what level of reading does a person need, and who do they go to acquire that kind of reading. Right? You go to a medical practitioner for medical readings. You go to a psychiatrist for that kind of, level of reading, and so on. You go to musicians for that kind of reading. See? So each one has their own specialty, and this is what keeps it interesting. Not all deal with the spiritual in the same way. Some people are differently, gifted, different, and they may come up with something that's completely out of your reality. See? And then you have certain people that see things in terms of aliens, alien consciousness. See? And then they will equate your energy, or let's say your presence, with a star system or something, depending on how well they know the star systems. So it doesn't mean it's special, but their focus is that. So they can interpret what your energy is relative to some star system, and then the beings from that star system. A lot of people these days are into the Pleiadian sort of beings, and that influence, because you have many of the Native American Indians say that their source is from the Pleiades. See? But that's where they hail from. See, they received knowledge and data from the Pleiadians through a certain kind of prophet or angelic or alien form. They came down to their tribe or civilization and enlightened them about certain things that no one else could enlighten them about concerning that. So